First time I thought about making this dish, I was just kind of thinking of plantains and interesting ways that you could use them. And I was thinking that a casserole would be really good, and then I was actually thinking a lasagna would be perfect because you can cut them into slices and lay them out just like lasagna noodles. And I figured like the sweetness and the texture of the plantains would go really well with the savoriness of the tomato sauce. And so today we are making it for the second time. And when I looked it up back then, I actually found something online. I was like, oh, perfect, someone's already done this. So I just followed their recipe because I thought, it sounded pretty good based on what they did. We made a few modifications. But yeah, we'll show you how we make it, like with the layers and everything, and then what it looks like when it comes out. So we have our first layer of plantains down that are just cooked a little bit in the air fryer. And this is our first layer of filling. So the filling is onions, bell pepper, crushed walnuts, mushrooms, and just different seasonings like Italian herbs. And then we do another layer of plantain. And the other half of our filling has been put on. And then we add the cheese sauce. So the recipe, it's basically a thickened plant milk sauce. So it basically uses plant milk, cornstarch, nooch, and other seasonings to make a cheese sauce. We usually modify these types of sauces. Instead of using as much cornstarch, we just substitute in some steamed cauliflower and blend that up, and that gives thickness and also makes it more nutritious. And then you put your final layer of plantain, and then it goes into the oven. So now it's done baking. Just gonna make some slices and eat. So here's the lasagna plated. And now for the taste test.